Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? You know what time it is, man. It's your boy Emma G and my brother.
Yo, afternoon, everybody there. My name is Confusing Agent, live worldwide.
Yeah, Watika Chelki, Wislow, Hot Boy,
Ah,
Mr. Pow.
Wow.
Yeah,
what time
Mr.
it
Tini,
is?
I think my bad.
you're looking fresh, bro.
Yo, appreciate that, bro.
Yeah, you nyeri ngena marke kume. He's just a simple guy. That confused.
Yeah. He's a simple guy. He looks money, but I know down there is.
No,
Rich guy.
let's people a lot about the money, but it's just there.
Simple, his understanding, his some, all that, you know?
Yeah. So Wislow. Last year, and then releasing EP. The city was dead. So a lot of the city was dead, and you track me. Yeah, when releasing down a winner.
Yeah.
So what is new in Kama Migi? Tell Wislow Hot Boy.
Yeah, next week I think I'm releasing Free Murphy. Yeah, the song is about a friend of mine that he came out of a prison or I think you're to mama the man they enter down with pair attack or take a missing Kianwa or type Jimmy Kid and so. Yeah, that's
So
it.
is
Track
that
I'm going with.
Kiri Choy okay lyrics? It's called what?
The song is title is Free Murphy. Like
Oh,
Free
Free
Murphy.
Mafia and like Rimini.
Yeah.
But
So,
and I thought ni iker many free my Romo Keringa Romo Kanti Buchno Romo Kwako come.
yeah, nyiglo ma kere ye. Ngarume kan mati vuj no ngarume kan madano ne ti vuj. Ka winyo we no bomaro. To toilet te maro ngati mo ni chama ke mara.
Mano ki mara vuja.
No, le
So he's an
bombali.
advocacy,
Yeah.
trying to bring back the love on
Yeah,
that channel, right?
Yeah. So I made ni Karibet he is locked in the jail. Permit of feeling guilty now because ngarume mati perfect. Pero we were like, okay, we know the first line in the song I were like 7 colors in the rainbow. He's innocent. I know. Steady gang, disciple, the love is so crazy. I know. Something like that.
So the song is all about that's new to ma Kingarumo.
Justice for someone, right?
Okay. That's great, man. So want it ready?
Yeah.
What it ready? And you're going to support schools, you know. Kind of harmonic at least no mere freeing or any even though no bukara get a keep and check but no at least tell one dana we feel it, man.
Yeah,
We feel
yeah.
it, bro.
Yeah.
So back to your sides your EP ukaro we manyan bana tika bino manyan and video ne bukara ke video ne ke just mere ibolo mai just audio ke kan.
It's Sunday. On that day, Matika releasing Kenya and then Matika visualizer. Yeah, we'll get down with the visualizing and then I think in 2 days, no, the visualizer is out.
Wow, confused.
Yes,
Ingo nena di adera ngwana ngech. I've been on a video more take a training online. So I want to wish lokomi tamekong ma TMC a chill and a female MC ma aki northern Uganda. Hold on. Down my new MC Mercy. Bi ubikare ki video mo ke ma ma TV stage mere ki tika tong American miel mo ke dar do ka ta. So
They are trying to be so enjoyous, right?
yeah, like you think I feel okay, but down go I know this is not right. Kind of pe meti when public car chala chuli pe. So Wislow beti actually, but penny just we want to correct the industry,
Okay.
not with a bad heart, but we want to correct. In case no in our Guinea nyako no timabe like you.
Okay, now, Guinea honestly, no, Pamela lawyer to trial, but big government man, okay, like one down, actually can put on mining our business. Kidong la kurikilo lock mo ne kaka timo kwar timo well man yang po do acher ga choke mo ke buka book mo furi chabe to kate they joke no way like kadong ti ga mente no ti dan mo madir ga mente gi personalizing ji mo kene dong gi andong gi ga mente dong te wata ngai do bi kim no kiri dong wis no na bi kim mo
made
ke
it already.
so no dong mere ke beautiful ngo gi but go wer more wange ko masi kikene kano timo gumo perwate ke chat ke lock kare mo era pero mo fa
Peki kare ke social media.
kare wa ambe ke wo ko makire ne I be defending myself now
Okay, this guy want to say something.
You know, I always have to agree to the same fact that you're talking of my same peace of mind. You know, when I saw this video, I've been among the first bloggers like to go on social media and narrate to the world about the video clip. But on the other side of the story, I'm being like feeling the realistic visual,
Yeah.
why would you go ahead and talk about someone who is trying to hustle our way out in the industry? Because when you look about, take your time and check.
But
Yeah,
you people,
no,
listen,
this one is not against. But you people have to understand
know,
it. Kira ibere wa, but te kwa
No,
wa
no,
tie
no.
chala actually.
Yes.
Tiji mugo like kachalo daro do ginyo actually ka we po chan ka lu dire wani ka burru pa la cho ki dako mera lu tiro pongol nyo ngata pat pongol. So that rules in it. Tinana wa rules in it. Ma ka kira ke nano kere kiti nano masi poti mutima be.
Okay.
Even though tika nyoto
Imagine, listen,
yum chunya gere.
Listen now. We have generations.
I got you.
All right, so there's any era that comes in. Each generation has its different era.
Yeah.
So at this time, you don't have to go and accuse Mercy for what she has done.
You know, right?
She was
But
trying
we
to.
have to.
You don't know why she did it. You get it? She's an MC trying to give up that hype.
Ngat mo mako
Trying to-
gini ono chikari la baba. Nero.
Yeah, of course. Why would you post and then?
Orang mo chako blaming from the source. Ngaro makabolo.
Ano mga nila baba?
Because Mercy is just a hustler. Anang yung Mercy mabe kita maso don kere.
Yeah.
Dak ngato yoni mo mako gini no kero ni. Like utama ning mo ewiye na. Because anang yung kita maso don kere mabe adida. Ang yung area mo maso don. Ang yung lunyuro pa Mercy. So ngaro me kan mo timo gini hone. Po timo gini mabe na.
Yeah, so why I bring this, like my brother confused.
Yes.
Wislow. It's just to correct our industry. You know, some points we learn from corrections. Yeah. So pira kuno na nara yo ni Wislow go be ka supporting but this one is to correct our industry. Like
Well, nero mo na temo lo ko gimo. With me kuya ping diet fall kanya. One Acholi. Watiki kuya ping mo ma diet fall. Jimmy when mama si utimo yoni tamani maso nano kwa maso nano vibe only ke wa gi ngo gini nano. So
but you can't copy someone culture.
I've told you the roots and the era we are in. This generation. So what Mercy is doing, that's not shoot like.
Level mo no 12 ene go kiro mo luon ki wa ni yun ba
Ini do karo.
Okaro dong.
So
I think Okaro do piano wa ki karo.
No.
MCs lo war mo kan go chako. We have a meeting.
Initially, if that person was recording video, if they're not in a picture, I'd post on social media. No,
No lo kapi.
don't put your viral come on, but not your post in social media. We are all let's ban. Now they're giving words of banning Mercy from Akaria. Now any banning woman from Akaria. What will she survive on?
Kidong kane ami la penge ngo makaka dong tala chulo timo me konyo talent yeah chuli ka ngo makaka do timo no te kwaro wani o timo mabe gimo pere
And they're still going back to the legend.
gitiro kaka ko timo kono lo ngoni ngo pege vo down kuya ping kong ke work ober kong ke luin kuya ping mo kong ke ye moving king
The world is upgrading each and every time.
rodiro ba ke laro je wi gi yenyo wa en kidong ko laro yenyo wa en ke pa la kuri nano style po bora ne ke pa style and style branding culture one kumbe
So we just mod
style ne
One go channel.
We're modernizing.
You cannot dread see. You cannot make a channel mega in it. This in a simple way.
Yeah. So Wislow take a releasing way man.
yo
Keep it locked. Share it streaming Spotify. Every social media platforms. Keep supporting and go and follow my brother. Confusing agents. Next time I'll be the channel Mamege. Today is mine, but I love
Alright.
this. We're going to do this. We are doing this to build our industry, and this we should make it bigger and more bigger.
For all my
To the
social,
world.
for all my social handles, can reach me on confusing agent. That's
The handles for
the
my
handles.
brother.
Can as well go to my page and follow, share.
Like, comments.
Like,
and
comment.
Don't forget to go and subscribe to Wislow, Hot Boy, Pow. Your last
You
word.
know what time it is.
Your last word, man.
My last
We
word to
can't
the
go without-
fans you keep supporting wamaru luwewa wawero with Melody Uberi. Let's keep supporting the young talent now. We're
Yo,
pushing
let's
what
sup-
shit come
Let's support.
yo
Peace.